Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video today. I'm actually super excited to be showing you this video today. The lovely Ali, I think, if I've pronounced her name right or wrong, apologies, but I hope that's right, has reached out for me. She works for a brand called Lushforest, who make these amazing oversized hoodies. You know, like them big kind of, well, I'm going to show you anyway, but I'm so excited. But you know, these big giant oversized hoodies that are just so cuddly and warm. Yes. I've got one right here. And I'm so excited to show this to you. I mean, I did open it just to see what it was like. I've worn it once and I've refrained from wearing it since because I just wanted to show you in the video first. And then I am literally going to wear this all the time. It is right up my street. Now, if you know me, you know that I love just comfies. I like being in gym leggings, like yoga leggings, or pants as they say in America, short tracky bottoms, just anything that's comfy and doesn't restrict me. And this has been a perfect item to my wardrobe. So I'm just gonna stand up and show you, well, I'll put it on and I'll show you what it's like. It's massive, it's so cool. So here it is like this. So I'm just gonna pop it on and I'll show you for size of what it's like on me. I'm 5 foot, so I'm quite short. So this is obviously quite big. And I mean, dress size, it kind of depends. I'm like between an 8 and a 10, maybe a 12 if we're going for bottoms, but yeah, I'll show you what it's like. And I love the fact it's got a hood as well. It's just, look with the hood up. How amazing is this? So yes, this is, let me try and go back a bit further so you can see. So this is the hoodie here. I'll just post some pictures of me sort of so you can see it in the mirror on now. So you can see it comes down a really nice length on me. I mean, it's oversized, which is perfect. I absolutely adore the oversizedness of things. It's nice, it's comfy, it's snuggly. It's got this huge pocket here. I mean, both hands go through, so the huge pocket here, and it's also got a nice little pocket for my phone. I'm filming on my phone right now, but as you can see, it's quite big. I've got the iPhone 8 Plus, I think it is, which is quite big and chunky, and it fits perfectly in here with room either side. So that's what I like as well, because I like a nice big chunky phone. So it's perfect just to keep in my little pouch there, like a little kangaroo pouch. And then obviously the pockets here. So what I do love about it is the lining is like this, like, it's not sheep's, what's it called, sheep shearing? That kind of teddy style, there you go, teddy style, that's what I mean. So that's what it's like on the inside of the pockets, and also the inside of the hood, as you can see here, and inside the jumper itself. Right, I'm gonna stop standing, I'm gonna come up to you now. But it's just so comfortable and so cozy. And do you know what I love about it as well? Is the cuffs, because I love a comfy, oversized, like, jumper, top, whatever it is. But I like to roll my sleeves up, like especially if I'm cooking or I'm doing the washing up or something like that. I like to be able to roll my sleeves up, and these hold the sleeves up, I mean, really nicely. So I'm really pleased, because not a lot of oversized stuff has got kind of those on. So that's really, really good and a bonus for me. I actually love, I think it's gonna get worn every single day in autumn, winter. I mean, it's really, really warm. It's so cozy, so snuggly, and I cannot even tell you how soft this material is. I mean, it's just dreamy, absolutely dreamy. So I am currently in gym leggings, as you can see. And I mean, this is probably what I'm going to be living in winter. When it starts to get colder, I love the cold autumn, winter anyway, and I cannot wait. I'm not a summer baby. I cannot wait for winter, and this is going to be just absolutely perfect. So I believe that this is $25.99 on Amazon. I will link everything down below in the description, so you'll have a link to the pink one. You'll also be able to find the other colours on there, because they've got black, they've got blue, they've got grey, silver, and they've got the pink, I believe. blue, black, grey, pink. Yeah, I think it's just the 4 colours, but if I've got that wrong, forgive me, but you'll see it on the link below anyway. So yeah, it's just absolutely amazing. What I'm going to do is I'll just pop a screenshot on the screen now of the item itself. This is the Amazon page. Again, like I said previously, the link will be in the description down below, but this is literally just what you're looking for. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll have it tagged in my photos, and I'll also have them in my little link in my bio. I'll have a link to this item as well in there. And I mean, don't just take it for a woman, it can be for men as well, or whoever you want it for. It's a perfect fit. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. So it's just, I mean, I'm not gonna take it off for the rest of the day now. Oh, well, I think I'm just not gonna take it off until we have this supposed heat wave, and I'm gonna have to take it off, aren't I? But it's so comfortable. I mean, just snuggling down to watch a film. I'm really excited. It's gorgeous and it's perfect. But yeah, I am loving it, and I would highly recommend you to go and purchase one of these if it's sort of a nice cuddly sort of style that you like. Yeah, I'm chuffed to bits of it. As you can see from my smile, I think it's absolutely amazing. But anyway, all links will be in the description down below, and their socials, so go and have a look and check out Lushforest on Amazon. All links down below. See you in my next video.